All right, we're back, Ewu crew, and we're heading back right over there to the shallow grave, which we think not sure if it's a human grave, but something was definitely buried there. So we're gonna head back over there today to try to finish this up and to see what's in the shallow grave. And we're gonna also go inside the mine tunnel again, the Red Dog mine. We're gonna go through the tunnels I think I missed last time when we were there. And let's go see what we can find. Let's go. All right, we're back here at the Pit of Bones. Looks like be like a shallow grave, but we have no idea if this is a shallow grave or not. But it's definitely interesting to find all these bones right here in this one spot. And many people will probably say, hey, why didn't you just tell the police like right away? But what if it's just an animal? Do we really want to have the cops come all the way out here if it's just an animal? We have no proof. I mean, you find bones a lot, not usually buried, but you usually find them a lot out here. So last thing we want to do is have the police come all the way out here and dig up a bunch of animal bones. And then next time when we actually find something that's, you know, significant, they'll just ignore us. So unless we could find something to show that these are human, we're just gonna continue to dig. So let's dig this up and see what we can find. Okay guys, another weird thing we just found. Like this is duct tape we found in here. This is old duct tape. I wonder if there's any hair or anything on it. It's falling apart. A lot of duct tape. Is that tooth?
I don't know what that is. It could be just a rock.
Yeah, it's a rock. Yeah, this is duct tape, guys. But we found a lot of trash in here too, so I'm not sure like these railroad ties, but there's a lot of duct tape in here. That's pretty trippy. Yeah. Look at this, guys. A shoe. A woman's shoe. Look at this. Another woman's shoe. Is there a bone inside that shoe? In the back right there on the heel? Dude, those are boots.
Little feet. Right next to all these bones.
There we go, guys. We got a bone here. I'm not sure we should use a shovel on it, though. Be very careful pulling this bone out. Now, this could tell us whether or not it's human or not. Uh-oh, it's already falling apart.
What the heck is that? Let's try. What is that?
I don't know. It's like it's still joints together. It's like a bunch of stuff still together.
More tons of fabric right here. Holy crap.
Alright guys, so here's what we found so far. Found some old shoes. We found little bits of duct tape down there. Right here you can see some of it. Duct tape. I'm not really sure. Some of these bones look to me like they could be too big to be human. But some of them look like really small, like this. Let me show you some more that look suspect to me. Like this little bone. There's also lots of little bones like that. I mean, it is possible somebody buried. I mean, this was intentionally buried here. A lot of these bones we're finding underneath rocks. And who just buries an animal for no reason? I mean, clearly some of these look way too big. Like, look at that sucker. This one looks like it has a little bit of a cut mark in it. You can see here, like it was cut like right there. Not sure if it's coming through the camera. That's pretty clean cut. Anyways, we're gonna go ahead and keep digging, guys, and then we'll see if we can find a skull to identify what kind of animal it was or if it was a human or not. I'm thinking if it was a human and it would have been buried with an animal, maybe to throw people off. I'm not sure, but I do find it interesting that we found shoes, we found some duct tape, we're gonna find little bits of cloth in here, and we're finding all these bones. But they're so brittle, it's hard to tell what they are. So let's see what else we find, guys. All right, so this is what we found so far. I mean, lots of bones. Some of them look a little too big to be human, but other ones, you guys, look to be like part of a human skull. Let me show you what I mean. And I'm not pretending I'm an expert on bones and I can identify them. But this one here, tell me what you guys think. This one looks like the top of a skull to me. Let me zoom in on it for you. Right there. That looks like the top of a skull to me. See the little growth line right there? right there. And it really does look like the top of a skull. And then we found these shoes that look to be as deteriorated as the bones. So anyways, now go back in the Red Dog mine and explore the tunnels a little more, because I know we missed a tunnel last time. So let's go do that. You guys ready? Let's go. Okay guys, we're back in here in Dan's mine. I wonder if we can find any writing on the wall. We should go slow. We want to go back to that spot where we let's try not to kick up too much dust. See, I think that's the mine shaft over there that goes up that we can see down. Yeah, I can see light. There's like women's stockings. Huh.
Mm-hmm.
I don't want to pick it up though. There's some bird's nests or something. Here, I feel like we missed this direction over here. This was the area we didn't go. It's really warm in here. On this place, this side, this one's blocked off. There's another dead rat. That's like a spine of a snake over there, not even kidding. Oh yeah, one thing that was mentioned is there's a lot of rattlesnakes in here. And I really think that's part of one right there at the head. See it?
Yeah. Okay, watch out for the grass. It's grass.
That's part of a rattlesnake right there, I think. Yeah, it sure is. Huh.
I don't know what the heck that is.
Or a bone. Not really sure. There was something here. Does it continue that way? Not very far, huh? Okay. Up this way is that pipe. Oh, down this way. Very narrow in here. There's a little stoked out area. Okay, we stand up here.
It's really hot.
Yeah, it's steaming. The other side of those pipes right here. Okay, that comes this way. I'll kick up the dust. What's all that stuff up there? Why is it up there? You can't go that way. Dead ends. Here's this blue stuff, guys, again. This is the way to the shaft. Some tarp. And there's the other shaft.
Be careful. Don't get too close.
This is the one I think they went down here. Honey, this is okay, it's safe. You don't want to see how deep it is?
No.
Why?
Because why would you want to stand over a giant?
No, it's got this board.
Dead. I'm gonna get mad at you. I'm not coming with you again if you do that. That's gross. And it's not stable and...
Yeah, that's the ladders I think they went down.
Oh, that's good for them.
I could feel airflow.
How would you even... Why is their theory so dumb? How would you bring a dead body on the...
Let's go down. Watch your head.
How dumb is that? The theory's stuff.
So it's filled in. There's another shaft, let me see.
No shaft. Oh, above you?
No, it's not. Let's go this way. Let's look for any writing on the walls. I need to buy a Stuntsy page for that. I feel like it must have gone farther this way. It's freaking warm in here. And supposedly one of the came in here and said that this was a rattlesnake pit. But so far no rattlesnakes here. Make sure this doesn't go on. Oh, this looks like it. They're chasing this blue, whatever this is, this copper. Some kind of small animal comes in here. Raccoon size. Some scat. Like weird. Stairs in a mine. Have you guys ever seen stairs in a mine before? I've never seen stairs in a mine. And this is where he was digging out all that blue. That's a huge bug.
You should put your foot in it for scale.
My shoe next to it.
Yep.
I think it's huge. Alright guys, well we looked in the rest and I'm not understanding where this third level is supposedly in this mine. But I know what, it's hot as heck in here. This van just runs. That's what they were chasing. A lot of rodent activity in here. Has some 38 special bullet cartridges. Should we head up?
Yep. You didn't have anything cool in here.
Alright guys, we're gonna head up because we pretty much explored it and haven't chickened out at the other part.
Hey, shut up.
There's a shotgun shell. Windshield wiper. Honestly, don't think she'd be in this mine.
No, do you see how much you have to go through to freaking bring her?
See, yeah, you have to throw her down first and then drag her through a mine. I don't see anyone doing that. All right, well, as you see, there was not much left in the mine. We pretty much covered it all. I'm not sure where the third level is, but here's a pile of bones that we found here, and here's the hole we dug. And I'm kind of torn because I don't know if they're human or not, but I know for a fact that some of these bones are way too big to be human, like those right over there. Those are massive. But there's some really small ones that, you know, like this here. Here's a small bone. And then we found the shoes and some duct tape. It looked like duct tape in there too. It's very strange. I don't know what to do, guys. Let me know what you guys think. Let me just pan around and show you the bones real quick, and you can tell me if you know about bones and you know anything about bones. Let me post it in the comments below. Because these ones here are way too big. I mean, those are massive. But I have heard of stories of people who will bury human remains with an animal, because why else would that animal be buried here? See if I can find one of the small, like, look like a finger bone. Some really small bones here mixed in. Really large bones and really small bones. That one really does look like a skull of some kind. Let me zoom in on it. It's pretty thin. These two pieces are together. Here's the other side of it. Alright guys, so until next time, we'll see you next time guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you enjoyed coming along for this trip. We'll continue to search for April, but we're also going to do some other stuff. Let's go.